Welcome to a journey through the top 50 football club brand values, where legendary powerhouses and emerging contenders clash in a battle for recognition and financial might. To start off with, we have Flamengo, Fulham, Porto, and Valencia, showcasing the diverse range of football's global influence. Moving up the ladder, we encounter giants like Lazio, Athletic Bilbao, and Benfica. Celtic stands tall, as does the disciplined Freiburg, while Wolfsburg and Real Sociedad hold strong. As we approach the top, we see the elite echelon taking shape. Ajax, the beacon of Dutch football, shines bright. Everton, with a rich history, stands tall alongside the ambitious Eintracht Frankfurt. In this hierarchy, the mighty Roman and dynamic Aston Villa emerge, while RB Leipzig asserts its modern dominance. The ranks continue to swell, revealing the giants that define an era. West Ham's resurgence, AC Milan's revival, and Inter's steadfastness make them forces to reckon with. The penultimate positions belong to the titans of the game. The unfaltering Bayern Munich, the lavish Paris Saint-Germain, the resolute Liverpool, and the iconic Manchester United. Yet, at the peak, two colossi, Barcelona and Real Madrid, stand tall alongside Manchester City. Their brand values tell the tale of football's grandeur. So, there you have it, the pulsating heart of the football world, where brand values score their own victories.